In this module, we will review network configuration settings. Once the connection test between a computer on the network to the DNS filter servers is successful, update the network configuration to point all outbound DNS traffic to the DNS filter servers. The configuration settings to update vary based on how the network is currently set up. For example, if the organization is using Active Directory, configure DNS filter as a forward zone. Refer to the Partner Success Center for a video on setting forwarders for an Active Directory network. There are several options for DNS filter configuration if Active Directory is not in use. Option 1 is to configure DNS filter on a router, which works well for smaller networks. Option 2 is to configure on a DHCP server, which works for any size network and for using with NAT IPs. The third configuration option is on a firewall, which can be used as a standalone to force query traffic, or can be combined with router or DHCP options. 2 rules to follow during configuration. Number 1. Do not mix DNS providers. List only the DNS filter servers that are part of your configuration. And number 2, do not assign DNS directly to endpoints. This will break resolution with local named resources like servers, computers, and printers. In a multi-site environment, systems should be configured to use the DNS servers at their local site before those at a different site. This minimizes the amount of DNS traffic crossing slower WAN links. A Secure Sockets Layer certificate is a digital certificate that authenticates the identity of a website. Installation of the SSL certificate is optional. The certificate displays block page messages when a user attempts to visit an HTTPS website that is blocked by established policies. Options for installation and deployment of the SSL certificate are covered in the demonstration at the end of this module.